Namaste. Today my topic is how to practice the backward bending in this series. Very nice asana, very good asana to protect your back, to make the lower back strong, more flexible. And the posture is called Ushtrasana or camel pose. In camel pose, there are few techniques. If you follow, if you practice, you may find spine will be very flexible. There will be proper arch on your back. So the practice is first, when the knees are together, you keep straight your trunk, you open the chest, you allow prana to flow to the diaphragm, to three breathing. When the lungs are at rest, the lungs are clear, please open the legs apart, in which you open the knees near about 1 feet according to the shoulder level. Now, first to warm up your body. How to warm up? So, the warm up for Ustrasana or camel poses, we are straight, we are taking weight on the knees. We first practice with inhale. As you exhale, even no need to touch the heel in starting, just to move your shoulder, move your body, and this movement. The same practice on other side. So this rotation, this is very effective, like a warm up. You warm up your upper body, you warm up your spinal cord. And now how to practice Ustrasana or the camel pose. So the same sequence. First, you are straight, but this time we will go with both of the hands. In this backward bending, you push the lower back in, you press the buttocks in, you keep this part active, and only the rotation with hands and this motion. This is very effective asana to practice in a very careful way. So from here, I will take a deep breath, and as I exhale, so the main working is to lift up chest, to lift up the upper abdomen as much as possible, and to drop your forehead on the backside. Maybe to stay there for 5 to 10 seconds. As you come back, slowly to lift up the head and to be very careful when you will press the lower back. So your whole body comes in a proper flow. If this was the backward bending, after the posture, please don't forget to practice one forward bending. In this forward bending, we directly set up the hands on ground. We lift up the knees from the floor and we lift up the buttocks and we press forehead down. So we release the tension of this backward bending. Maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds to hold downward facing dog. As you complete it, you need to lift up forehead and to place the knees on ground. So in this Ustrasana, the main thing is to keep active your body, to keep active your muscles, and to arch. How much the arch will be there, the posture will be beautiful. So this is the main working of Ustrasana. Stretch your muscles, stretch the lower back. The benefits of Ustrasana: to open the shoulders. If the shoulders are freezed, there is no movement, they are motionless, there is less movement. You can open them with this movement. The second working of Ustrasana: to circulate a lot of blood towards the sacrum, towards pelvis, so it's getting much more strong. Again, few limitations, few restrictions of this posture. If you have severe back problem, there is too much pain, even in case of hernia, if it is concerned with your lower part, so please avoid it. How much you will stay there, you will get much more working. So thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe our channel to get more information in next videos. And thank you for watching. Namaste.